Second district.
And I am sure all of our congressmen are also here joining us this morning. We were also joined by our councilors a while ago. May we request everybody to please settle down. Once again, requesting everybody to please settle down as our mayor is making his way and will be welcoming our Davaoenos really soon. Once again, we'd like to request everyone to please settle down. And of course, sa atong mga Davaoenos nga napakaroon sa ilang panimalan, though we are live via the official Facebook page of City Government of Davao, we would like to request you guys to please come here at San Pedro Square and witness the grand celebration of 89th Araw ng Davao. Alright! And of course, once again, we are joined by our very own Vice President Inday Sara Duterte, who has also served as our former mayor here in Davao City. And of course, with that, we will be joined by our very own Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte. O para sa atong mga Davaoenos, daghan patag mga activities na gi-prepare para kaninyong tanan.
Yes, we have Concerto Davao right here tonight here at the San Pedro Square. Come and join us because the local government of Davao City prepared so many artists for everyone to celebrate the 89th Araw ng Davao.
Alright! Once again, we would like to request everyone to please settle down. Once again, requesting all of our VIPs and our audiences there to please settle down. Mayor, maayong pag-abot ug daghan kaayong salamat sa pag-uban kanamo sa pag-celebrar sa atong Araw ng Davao. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us take a short break from the beautiful festivities and contingents that we have right here at San Pedro Square. At this juncture, we would like to request your attention as we hear a message from someone who has joined us in celebrating our 89th Araw ng Davao. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Congressman Kiko Barzaga.
Testing, meow. Good morning, Davao City. Good morning to all of our guests. Good morning, Vice President Sara Duterte. Good morning, Mayor Duterte, Congressman Duterte, and to the Davao City Council, the local government, and everyone else. I'd like to bring a happy 89th Araw ng Davao to everyone here, and a happy 81st birthday to former President Rodrigo Duterte. To everyone here, have a great day. Enjoy despite the geopolitical situation ng daming problema ng bansa natin ngayon, but we still have time to celebrate our successes and to celebrate the success of this beautiful city. So to everyone here, have a great day. Enjoy and God bless. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Congressman Kiko Barzaga.
A very young member of the House of Representatives.
Yes, of course. And once again, sa atong mga Davaoenos, daghan pamug-atangan dinhi sa San Pedro Square. Because atangan, wala pagit nakatunga sa atong mga contingents for Araw ng Davao. And of course, as we have heard a message from Congressman Kiko Barzaga, right now it is time to hear from someone who is beloved by the city of Davao. Ladies and gentlemen, let us hear a few words from our very own Vice Mayor Harold, or from one of our guests this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Congressman Leandro Leviste.
Vice President Inday Sara Duterte, Mayor Baste Duterte, Vice Mayor Rigo Duterte, Congressman Sid Unat, Congressman Omar Duterte, Congressman Harold Duterte, to the whole Davao City Council, to all of our other special guests, and to, of course, all of the Tabaweños. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Happy Araw ng Davao and happy birthday PRRD. Daghang salamat po Mayor Duterte sa inyong imbitasyon, and I'm very happy to be here again. And to all of the participants in today's parade, you've done a very good job, and I hope that we have a very good day today. Alam niyo po, ako ay masaya na makabalik dito habang ang Congress ay nasa session break. And sinabihan ako na kaming mga congressman, dapat huwag masyadong manggulo. Mas mabuti daw ang congressman ngayon magbakasyon muna. At baka akala nila nasa abroad ako. Hindi nila alam sa Davao pala ako pupunta. Kung saan mas maganda, mas malinis, mas safe, at napakabait ng mga tao. At dapat din suportahan ngayon ang domestic tourism, lalong-lalo na dahil sa taas ng presyo ng langis. Ganon din, kung may mga Davaoeño na gustong bumisita sa Maynila, welcome na welcome po kayo at pwede tayong magkita sa Luneta. Mayor, baka pwede tayong mag-arkila ng barko. At kahit ilang Davaoeño ang gustong bumisita sa Maynila, pwede tayong magkita doon. Sabihin lang ninyo ilan ang gustong bumisita. Pero baka aabot sa 100,000. Baka kung anong iisipin nila. Basta nandun tayo para sa turismo at sightseeing lang. Pero pagdating ninyo sa Luneta, bahala na kayo kung saan kayo susunod na pupunta. Kaya ako po ay of course also sure na gusto niyong bumalik agad sa Davao dahil ang ganda dito. At ang Davao of course ay isang very promising tourism destination na gustong puntahan ng mas marami pang mga Pilipino. At lalong-lalo po ngayong araw, ang araw ng Davao at isang special day, ang birthday ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. I'm sure it's going to be a very festive day. Kaya bago akong magtapos, gusto ko lang pong batiin muli ang buong lungsod ng Davao. Isang happy araw ng Davao, happy birthday PRRD, at isang maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Daghang salamat po muli sa inyong imbitasyon.
Daghang kaayong salamat to Congressman Leandro Leviste. Truly, Davao City has so much to offer, and it's great that we're actually being acknowledged, not only in the national stage, but even in the international stage. And now, since we are already hearing a few words from our guests, one of our guests for this morning would also like to extend their greetings for our beloved city of Davao. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome
Vice Mayor-elect from Isabela, Attorney Harold Respicio.
Matayo Davao! Maayong buntag Davao! Gusto ko mas malakas. Maayong buntag Davao! Maayong buntag! Yeah, buddy! Magandang araw po sa inyo. Ako po si Atty. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor ng Reina Mercedes Isabela. Ang Isabela po ay nasa norte. Isa po akong Ilocano. Nagtataka siguro kayo, bakit ako nandito? Nandito ako para sabihin sa inyo na ang mga Ilocano, ang mga taga-Isabela, mga taga-Luzon, ay solid Duterte! Sinasabi ko po sa inyo, Sinasabi ko kay Vicky Sara, mula sa aming bayan at sa aming isla at sa aming probinsya, mahal po kayo ng mga Ilocano. Totoo po yan. Hindi po ako ng bukona. Dahil po, kahit sabihin nilang maraming nagmamahal kay BBM, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi natin mahal si Sara. Dahil sa totoo lang po, nung tumakbo si VP Sara at si BBM ng sabay, noong nakaraang eleksyon, tuwang-tuwa po kami.